Amen.
Talagang banal, makasalanan, bata, matanda, kahit anumang estado sa buhay, nationality. Maganda yun eh. May mga churches, for example, in other countries, you have, like in South Africa or in America, may mga religions, let's say, born again, na may simbahan para sa mga maitim. Pastor at congregation, all maitim. Dito naman para sa mga puti. Catholic Church, never. It doesn't exist in the Catholic Church. You cannot put a parish for black people. A parish is a territorial concept. So lahat na nakatira doon ay kasama sa parokya. Not membership. So may mga congregational churches na if you sign up to be Baptist, then miyembro ka sa simbahan ito. Yung Catholic Church is divided by territory. Lahat ng sakop dito. Kesyo walang Diyos, kesyo Muslim, kesyo parishioner ko. Lahat yun parishioners ko. So maganda. That concept of universality is something I love of the Catholic Church.